Hey, welcome back to How to DIY and Save a Dime. Today I'm going to be sharing with you these portable door locks. Now, if you guys love the other security door mechanisms I share with you guys from Aldi's that were amazing, I'll link that below if you didn't see those, because those are extra things that you can buy if you still have them at your Aldi's, or you can get them on Amazon. I will say that I ordered the door stopper ones from Amazon and they weren't good. So I'm so upset. I should have kept the ones from Aldi's, but my daughter and I end up finding, my daughter told me about these when I got the ones from Aldi's, but I was like, no, they don't have noise, I want to hear it, whatever. But these bad boys right here are amazing. These are portable door locks. These are portable door locks that you can travel with. And I got these on Amazon for $11.99 for two. I'm gonna get another set to keep, to take with me when I do travel, just to have them. And these are great gifts. It came with this little bag like this, nothing special. And this is the box it came in from Amazon here. And I believe I bought new, used or something. I try to buy stuff like that, especially when it's like metals and stuff that is not something that someone can ruin or you can easily sanitize it. I definitely will get, reuse something or buy something for a lower price instead of getting it new, and give it another use. So yeah, then it comes with these instructions, but you already know that I'm going to show you how to put these on. It's really early in the morning, so I'm gonna wait till it brighten up a little bit, but you don't know that. And then I'm going to show you how they work. They are amazing. Now, I'm not gonna go through all this because it's unnecessary, because I'm gonna show you how to do it. But I will say that you can travel with these. You can take these and put these on your hotel doors, because some hotels have employees that still know how to get in your room even when you're asleep, so that's not cool. Then sometimes you might travel to friends or family's homes, and sometimes they can't be trusted. Sometimes you just never know, or they may have others there and you just want to be protected, or you want to protect your children. You can put these on a door that's a bedroom door, or you can put it on a deadbolt lock. You see how big these holes are? They are for different types of locks, which is amazing. And so you can kind of flip it for whatever end you're going to use. You just remove this little thing here and put it on the other side if you need the big one. If you need the little one, you keep it on this side, and vice versa. Nothing different about them, just one is black and one is red. And I like the fact that even if you forget to lock your door with this on, they still can't get in. I'm gonna show you that as well. And say somebody didn't return a key and have a key to your home, or have a key to something that, or your bedroom or something, and you don't want them entering, with this lock on, even if you forget to lock the door, they still can't get in. Listen, y'all, these are amazing. For $11.99, if you're a single mom, single dad, or just anybody who's looking for extra security, definitely check these out. This is not sponsored. This is just something, you guys know I share things with you that can make your life easier, make you feel more protected, and save you some coins. So let's get into how these work and how you put them on a door. It's so simple. I'm gonna show you it unlocked and locked, and show you both of the doors I have it on. Then I'll show you it at nighttime, how I have them on my door. So let's get into it. All right, guys, so this is the lock on the door. As you can see, the door is locked, okay? It will not budge. It will not budge. This is holding, this piece here is latched into this hole real tight, and it's against the door. So that stops anyone from coming in. Now let me show you, I'm gonna unlock the door. Watch this. Still, no one can get in even with the door unlocked. You see that? You unlock it back. They still can't get in if you forget to lock your door. Let me show you how it's inside there and how it prevents people from getting in from the outside. It's hard trying to do it on the other side. So take this off, push the door in, and I'm going to take this little latch out, this here. And when I open the door, you're going to see it still hangs in the door. Let me show you. See, it's kind of just sitting in there, and it's just hanging like that. And we just take it and put it back in and lock the door every time someone leaves out. So you can have it, see, this perfectly fits. just like that. See those parts? Perfectly fits in the door just like that. If it was bigger, you would use a bigger side. This is too big. So if you have a bigger lock, you can still use it. So all you do is set that in just like that. And then let me close the door and show you how you put the rest of it on. So it's sitting in the door. I'm going to hold it up, push the door closed, lock it. Now that lock is going through this, that lock is going through the metal, right? So now you're going to take this piece here and you're going to place it into this notch here, just like that. Put it in and slide it down, and it makes it not move, and it makes it where it still doesn't move even if it's unlocked. And that's it, locked. And I'm gonna show you it on my back door. So this is it on the back door, and the same thing. The door is locked. Nobody can't get in. Unlocked. They still can't get in. Locked. Can't get in. And it's in the same way. And this is great because if you move into a place and you don't have the time to get the new keys right away, you forgot to change your locks, this is amazing because no one can get in. They literally have to kick this door down, like hardcore kick it down. Or if you have this, it's still going to be. I like the grates. If you ever get back doors or anything, make sure they have the grates, not the grates, but these in the windows, on the windows, because this prevents a body from getting in because the squares are so small. So make sure you have those on your door if you're single. Make sure you have that. You don't want a full piece of glass that someone can crawl in if they break the window. And so yeah, these are protection for you. Like I said, you could travel with them. And if you don't have the funds to change your locks, just get you some of these until you do. All right, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, thumbs up, share it with friends and family. These were only $11.99. This is not sponsored, and if you do want the link, I will show it below, but you see what they look like. You can actually find them on Amazon. They're secure travel security locks. So join my family by hitting that subscribe bell, hitting the notification bell so you're notified every time I load a new video. And with that being said, if you don't have any questions and comments, leave them below and I will respond, and I will see you guys later, Gators.